Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing great. Don't forget we have a giveaway happening on the channel, so make sure you don't miss out. Today the video is about leap year gray version Rodger Dodger. Before we get into the detail, let's unbox it. Before that, I would like to talk about why it was so popular. Back in the 70s, the Hot Wheels made this car as a part of their Flying Color series, and people loved it, alongside other legends like the Twin Mill and the Bone Shaker. Let's talk about its design. The Rodger Dodger is a model based on a modified 73 Dodge Charger SE. It has a grey and black color with the red flames on the sides and hood. The car features a blown V8 engine sticking out of the hood, giving it an bold appearance. And the number 29 has certainly made its mark in the world of racing. The leap year text celebrates a special occasion, and look out for the Hot Wheels logo on the sides. The interior is red, which gives a cool look. Well-detailed headlights and taillights. The writing 2x29x24 on top might be the reference to the year 2024. Let's talk about the special edition. In 2024, Hot Wheels celebrated the Rodger Dodger 50th anniversary. They teamed up with artist named Daniel Arshan. And the result? The eroded Rodger Dodger, a unique version that blends art and the diecast car. And there it is, the leap year grey version, which was released 2024. As you all know, collecting the diecast car is not just about the diecast cars. It's also about the joy of discovery and the stories behind them. That's all for today. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Already a part of our Chill with Sabi? Thank you for your support. Make sure to watch my other videos and share them with your friends. Let's grow this Chill with Sabi community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.